Alright folks, welcome back. We've got just a little bit of cleanup work to do here in the layers palette. We want to turn the comments layer back off and rename layer 6 to fireworks. Alright, let me reset my palettes. Now, my next step is going to be to drag the fireworks layer beneath the background layer. Alright, disappeared, yeah, but remember blend modes? What we're going to do is change the blend mode of the background layer so we can see through, so it'll mix with the fireworks layer. And I think a good blend mode for this will be hard light. Alright, there you go. That looks good. Now, let me reset my palettes again. Let me now resize my fireworks layer. Alright, let me select the fireworks layer. Let me hide my palettes. Let me zoom out. Let me hide my selection outlines, Control H. Let me hit the E key to get the free transform function. And now, let's go ahead and play with this till we get something we like. What we want to do is not really encroach upon George here. Now it doesn't matter that we're going outside of the boundaries to the layer, because we're going to end up using a clipping mask to hide the parts we don't want to see. So just try and concentrate on, you can also move it, just click on it with the selection tool and move it if you want. Trying to get a good good look here through resizing and moving things. Alright. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. I'm going to pause here and play around with it a little bit more. You can do the same thing if you're following along, and I'll meet you right back here. Okay, I'm back. I played around a little bit, and turns out right where we left it was the perfect spot for it. I'm going to hit now Control 0, fit it to the artboard. Now we're going to draw a clipping mask so you do not see any of the fireworks that are not going to be part of the banner. So to do that, go to your layers palette. You're going to draw it on the fireworks layer, so make sure you've selected the fireworks layer. Reset your palettes, get the rectangle tool, and then draw from right here to right there, so you're straddling that border again. Draw yourself a rectangle. Go into your fireworks layer, and in fact select everything in the fireworks layer. Alright, now the top layer that you've selected, the top path that you've selected, is going to be the clipping path for everything underneath. So with everything in that layer selected, go to the Object menu, Clipping Mask, Make, and there you go. Hide your palettes, and that looks really good. Okay, now we'll go on and add the final touches in the next lesson, and then we'll be all done, folks. And we're going to print this out, and we'll take a picture of it and let you see how it looks after it's printed.